So we're just gonna start with the bread and butter 5.7 LS aluminum, resealed, re-gasketed, ARP rod bolts, new head studs, 241 heads, CX Racing headers. I believe the mounts are CX Racing as well. They've been modified to sit a little farther back and a little lower. So as you guys can see, you can't even really see the intake from the front of the car. So it's sat really low down in case somebody did want to do like a LSA supercharger. The hood should close if you cut this part out. But yeah, this is, oh yeah, so sounds good. Whew, almost tripped. But yeah, so here's the outside of the car. It does need a wash because it has been sitting for a while as it was waiting to get the work and then getting the work done and everything like that. But it's whatever this blue color is. Has these fender flares. Depending on how long it takes for this thing to sell, it may get either Pandem fenders or felony form fenders. These are some ESR wheels. The front tires are 255 35 18s and the rears are 285 30 18. These are Michelin Pilot Sports in the back. It's a nice expensive sticky tires. There's no front lip. Again, depending on how long this takes to sell, it may get a front lip. I do have side skirts and I do have an LTW style wing that I'll eventually put on. The side skirts are in the shed. Yeah, and then I'll probably just, like, if I remember, I'll put a picture of the Porsche style seats, the carbon backed ones. So here's the interior, shifter, Fabbot adapter, AR5 transmission, Holley Terminator X ECU. The server thingy is here. As you can see, all green lights. If asking price is not met, these are the seats will come with. Just some generic, like, Amazon or eBay spec race seats. The door cards, as you can see, there's no sag. They are not loose. They've been reinforced and re-glued, so now they're nice and solid and they're good. These are the leather ones, black. Glove box, no sag. The sag has been addressed. It's a typical thing. Has a Walbro 525 fuel pump. The relay for that is under here. This is just like a hard motorsports floor pan thing that I just put there so it can sit and flatten out the carpet thingy that's back here. Nothing really exciting in the back. I believe I have some pictures of the underside of the car, so I'll put that. New rear subframe, all those kind of things. Stock brakes for now, and again, per usual, the longer I have it, I may do 135 or Z06 brakes. That will really affect the price because that's an expensive setup. But yeah, it's a pretty cool car, pretty cool build. We'll take like a little drive around just so you guys can see it in a little bit of action. Not going to do anything crazy because it's just on a base map right now. So yeah, I will get to you guys in the next clip. It's also, again, running rich because it's just on a base map, but this thing does move. Torque, so I usually just start off in second